what hyperlapse is like on the DJI Mavic 3. So guys, I've been in Sedona for the past few days. Obviously, if you know anything about Sedona, it's amazingly beautiful. And so I figured, why not try hyperlapses with the Mavic 3, especially because on Saturday, we had a very cloudy day, and those tend to be the best days to shoot a hyperlapse because you're getting the movement of the clouds in the sky. Now, my top complaint with the Mavic 2 was it was very sensitive to wind. And so it's kind of hard to shoot a hyperlapse when it's very windy in general. So the main question is, how does the Mavic 3 handle hyperlapse? So I'm gonna show you guys two examples that I did while I was in Sedona. So example one is aiming toward Cathedral Rock and Courthouse Butte. As you can see, it looks pretty good. We still see some movement, but you can tell that the drone has basically tried to stabilize the shot so that it's not as shaky. Now, this is the video clip that was pulled from the drone. So I didn't actually take the photos, stack them together, and create it like that. So that first hyperlapse was 10 seconds long at an interval of 2 seconds per shot, and it took about 8 minutes, I think, to shoot the whole thing. This next one is the same exact thing. It's 2 second intervals, but instead of it being 10 seconds, it's going to be 15 seconds long. So I did it a little bit longer. And as you can see in the clip, it's not bad. It's pretty stable, but overall, it's not as smooth as I would like it. I still think that when you're shooting a hyperlapse or time lapse from a drone, it's going to be challenging to avoid the wind just because you're in the sky and you're moving, so that's going to make it a little bit hard. But I think overall the drone did a pretty decent job at it. Even though it's not the result I would have liked, it was still pretty good. And I'm curious to hear what you guys have to say about it in the comment section below. And if you liked today's video, definitely make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. Also, please give this video a thumbs up because it'll help it rank higher in the algorithm. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.